Hi, this is Linda, and welcome to 60 Seconds of STEM. Today, we're going to be talking about Sphero. Sphero is a rolling robot that is flexible for all ages because it can be programmed in 3 different ways. You can program it by drawing a path, with drag and drop block-based programming, and with text. Sphero is especially great for math and science projects because it can take data that students can then analyze and graph. Using the free Sphero EDU app, students can open up to a social home screen. On the Drive tab, students can drive Sphero around with a remote control. On the Programs tab, students can see programs they have made and create a new one. On the Activities tab, students can see activities they have been assigned by their teacher. So have fun playing and programming with Sphero, and thank you for watching.